Well, here's a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette 1SC convertible, a rather rare combination on this car. This is absolutely beautiful. In fact, I have to say it looks almost black when you walk up here to it. I hope that you can see this beautiful dark green color coming through. What a beautiful paint job on this car. It is dark bowling green on the exterior, black on the interior, black convertible top, and under the hood, 350 horsepower LS1 engine with 6-speed manual transmission. Now, if you want to know the pricing and more detailed photos and all that information, click the link right down below this video. It'll take you to our website with all of that information, additional information about this car. Again, just a beautiful car. Factory features include the $2,494 1SC Preferred Equipment Group. This includes heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power sports seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auto headlights, fog lamps, dual-zone electronic climate control, beautiful polished wheels, wonderful Bose CD stereo system, has power windows, power locks, power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, power antenna, cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Coming loaded with options and including the desirable 6-speed, yes, manual transmission. This is an absolutely beautiful car. This is one of just 476 dark bowling green Corvette convertibles built in the year 2001. So that's why we meant it's really kind of a rare car. And this car's paint is in very good condition, has that great shine. As you can see, the convertible top is in very good to excellent condition, as are those factory polished wheels. The interior, well, as you can see, shows very good factory leather seats, very good steering wheel, very good to excellent center console and door panels. And this car is completely factory stock and corrosion free. So give us a call here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, hit the notification button, and every time we put up a new car on our showroom floor, you'll get notified. If you love Corvettes, it's a great way to see the largest variety you'll see anywhere. So remember, we're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We want to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. We ship nationwide, much less expensive than you can imagine, and we make buying online something you can do with ease, and more importantly, with confidence. Again, buyavette.net, Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon. Oh, this is a beautiful car.